Hi everyone, I am Neffi, and this is the alarm clock project that I have made. And this is okay. Let me explain you how it is working and what is all going on inside this. So this is a very simple clock. Here we can see this uh, current time that is going on. Here I have hour, here minutes, seconds, and AM. This is what we can set. Okay, so I have validation over here. If I don't enter anything, then it says like this. Even if do not enter any kind of field, it says please fill all the fields. For example, I fill over here 01, and I fill here 09, for example, and I do not fill second. Still, if it will say something. So all this thing has been covered. And apart from this, even if I enter any invalid values, right? For invalid values, see, this will not enter because in AM PM we cannot enter anything more than 12 and anything less than 1. So I have to add now. Let's add this alarm 08, and then we have 14, 49. Let's say 49, 40, 50. Let's say 50 and 00, and let's take it to PM. Now I will set this alarm. As soon as I set this alarm list will be coming over here, right? And this is not just that. Let's see this now how it works. Okay, so this is how alarm is beeping, and this is how the alarm will trigger over here. That this is it. Even if I add duplicate alarm, for example, I add the same alarm which has been already added in this list. Okay, it will say alarm already present, so we cannot duplicate the alarms. And apart from this, this alarm is also stored in the even if I refresh this now, the alarm will be there because the list is being rendered from the local storage. We can see from local storage that over here in the application we have this alarm list. If I add any other alarm, for example, I add 09 10 00 2 p.m. Yes, at in the application I will be able to see this another alarm that has been added, right? So this is how it is working, and this is uh, the alarm clock. Now coming to the all of this code, so let's go here. So for icons, like for this icon and for this C icon, copyright icon, I have made this I have taken this from the fonts awesome. I've used the bootstrap library for the CSS styling and HTML creation. And apart from this, also used this FF fonts for having wizard awesome fonts over here. Okay, and apart from this, let's go to the HTML structure. Over here we can see this is the whole HTML structure that is based on bootstrap. Okay, over here we can see the CDN of the bootstrap. Over here we can see the external CSS combined on this, and here we can see the bootstrap scripts, JavaScripts, CDN. Here we can see for some external links, custom JavaScript also added over here for the functionalities. And so this is the whole structure. Here we are adding the inputs, taking the inputs. Here we are alarm clock. Here we are taking adding these current time. Over here we are setting the alarm time, and over here with the enter this UL, the li will be added, all the listing items. So when we go to the CSS part, over here we can see the font word simplified that I have used from FF fonts, and this is all the fonts that I have used. And I have also used this WebKit scroll bar for the awesome styling of this. Whenever the list is huge, we can see that thing over here. And also I have also added this is the play audio, right? Basically to beep the sound when the alarm clock rings. So the first thing is that whenever we start this application, okay, so the alarm list will be loaded from the get alarm list function, and this get alarm list is getting data from the local storage, and then it will be rendering all the alarm list into that UI. And all of these functions are made over here, right? And this is the timing function that I have created. The current time we can look into how it is getting generated, and then I'm adding that into the inner HTML of this. And this is just formatting of the current time, that even if someone adds, when the time is coming into just 1 p.m., for example 1 p.m., So 1:00:00 p.m. will be coming. So to format that in the way, we need to add 0 1 in the R section. So that is, this is what is going on over here. Greater than, oh sorry, less than 10, then we need to add the 0, else we don't need to add that. So this is it. This is how it is working. After every 1 second, this loop is running again and again after every 1 second, and this is how every 1 second we are seeing this 060708. This is how it is working. So that is it, and this is the all of the validation which I told you is over here, right? Thank you guys. I hope you liked my project.